Hello there. Welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today,
Lala, Akindoju and husband Chef Fregz welcome their first child. Let's check out details. Kemi, Lala, Akindoju, Nigerian actress, and Bubemi Fregz, her husband, have welcomed their first child together. The 33-year-old movie producer took to her Instagram page today to share the news with her fans. Lala Akindoju wrote on Instagram, "Even if I had 10,000 tongues, it will never be enough to say thank you, Lord. Our hearts are filled with joy and thanksgiving because our baby boy is finally here. My birth story is one for the books and I will share it one day. I am grateful for an excellent support system, especially a husband solid as a rock. Adeoriofe Torisheju Chukwebuka Fregz is our constant reminder of God's grace shown through his strength and might. Adeoriofe, a crown of God's grace. Grace God gives freely. Torisheju, God's will is supreme. Chukwebuka, God is the greatest. He is such a beautiful boy. You can call him Adeore." Also announcing on his path, her husband Chef Fregz wrote, 33. The point in time when I discovered that there is a type of thanksgiving that's muted. Not because you lack cymbals and redeeming claps to raise the praise, but the miracle is overwhelming and you are convinced that no song can convey the awe you feel or dance fully honor the one that's given you the glory you're experiencing. Against impossibilities and nothing but spoken faith, there is evidence, a combination of silent and fervent prayers, spoken prophecies, and waited on manifestation. This wonder with relaxed like air and screeching cry that questions this new environment, suddenly is sleeping tenderly, all mine, all ours. The silent, awestruck thanksgiving doesn't stop. The last year brought a lot of ends, many opportunities to question my entirety, but I found the strength to reaccess and figure out how to come back better, stronger. Revelation has become my friend and clarity injected in my mind, like serum making me see the truth in all its reality this time. I know who and whose I am. My laser-corrected vision has allowed me to see my value and importance even more. I'm learning to love regardless. Intentionally, what I get in turn doesn't matter. Silly, but I'm trusting. 33. My track gone short for takeoff for manifesting and birthing. Again, holding miracles of creating in my hands, losing sleep to cries of destiny and my great futures, experiencing love that is unbridled and pure, the honor and blessing to be dependent on and lean in to call me Father. I am still sinking deep in my oceans of gratitude. I don't want to come up for air. Every message, remembrance, cash gift, call, and honor. You all will taste the dew of heaven and type captions of indescribable gratitude. Thank you. At Lala Akindoju, we did it, Joe. God here being the we mostly. Hashtag Chef Fregz, hashtag Lala Akindoju, hashtag Daddy Adeore Fair, hashtag Mommy Adeore Fair. We say a big congratulations to the couple, and yes, this is indeed a great blessing. Feels like the time is raining baby for Nollywood favorites, from Adesu Waitomi to Lala Akindoju, and of course the OAP Kemi. We'll bring you more soon. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.